All right, hey, it's me. Just a little quick video, what we've been doing. Have one of my guys say, focus on the solar and quit messing with the miners so much, too many things going, and probably right in all reality. So I'm trying to get these last two tracking setups finished before Monday when we go to the Bitcoin convention. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. Might get one of them. Probably won't get the other one. Just, you see, this is the new one right here. We got all the panels on it today. Get the actuators. We got the wires. Well, you can see them all hanging. I'm trying a new thing on the actuators this time. My longest run of wire from the center point, measured off, and then I pulled 6 runs the same length, and I'm going to run the same length wire to each one of them and bring the feed in the middle, and then just coil up the excess for the short ones, and then at least the voltage drop should be the same on all of them, and hopefully that'll make them move a little smoother, a little bit more in time. And of course they reset when they go lock to lock, so the error shouldn't compound. I've tested it. I mean, obviously, as you can see, it's in the west position right now, so it works. It seems to be doing better, but I ain't really had any trouble with the other two since we got them flipped over and keep them out of the rain. So far, so good. They've been all right. The other one, I got all the panel brackets mounted today, welded on. I got the actuators on it, and we got panels on about a quarter of it. We're gonna try to get the rest of the panels on that one tomorrow. Each one of these holds 37 650 watt panels. So whatever that works out to be in kilowatts. And there is, between these two, there's 12 pounds of welding wire. I went through 2-pound spools, went through 6 of them so far, and the 7th one's in the machine. I think we're mostly done with the welding. Sorry about if you see dogs or hear dogs. Somehow we acquired 2 of the neighbor's dogs today. They're just hanging out over here. So, and one of them is young, so it's just chewing on a stick and barking a lot. So, but you know, they'll go home when it gets dark, surely. And that's about it. I'll try to do a little update tomorrow. Maybe we can get this one, hopefully by end of day Friday, we'll have this one tied into the inverters with it tracking and everything. I'm beat. I had a couple friends of mine come over and help today, and I think maybe at least one of them will come back over and help tomorrow, and we'll see if we can at least get all the panels up and get this one online, and then we'll take it from there. And then that'll be the most of the solar. It'll just be batteries and miners after that. All right, so sorry if you hear gunshots. It's just my neighbors. That's it. You guys have a good evening.